KD na miss kita. Thank you, Zaldi ko. Ay, sorry. Ay, si Zald, sorry. Nakalagay kasi Zald eh. Na ano ako eh. Zaldi. Nakita ko si Zaldi. Yung username kasi niya, Zald. Z-A-L-D-S. Nakalagay kasi Z-A-L-D-S. Kala ko sis ano. Pero hindi. Sorry, joke lang. Bengi naman baon dyan, Zaldi ko. Partida, taxes namin yan eh. Pati si Zaldi daw ko talaga yan. Wala na. Zaldi, balik mo naman yung taxes namin. Please give it back. Hello po from Batangas. Yeah, hello. Shoutout dyan mga taga Batangas. Yeah. So yeah, I'm super happy with what's happening lang sa life. May ambag tayo sa sasakyan niya. Tama. Lahat ng sasakyan nila may ambag tayo. So basically, we own that. Hindi sa pagiging komunista, pero sa atin din yan. Yung payong na yung Rolls Royce na may payong, yung payong may ambag tayo dyan. Ganun talaga. Specs from I forgot the brand, but it's a local brand. Correct. Iba din talaga ito. Yeah, of course. For me lang, we have to speak up kasi sobra na talaga. Even hindi, let's not kahit hindi sobra, we still have to speak up because that's taxpayers' money, and like it's super it's evil talaga yung mga ginagawa ngayon ng mga Hi KD, it's been a while. Dati sa IG kita pinapanood mag-live. Oh, hello, thank you. It's Eureka Shop. Welcome to my TikTok. Sing. I will sing kapag umabot tayo ng... Hindi, joke lang. Sorry, I can't sing right now. I'm kind of on vocal rest. Kailangan kong tipirin ang aking boses kasi kanta kami ng kanta sa Bagets eh. Yeah, Bagets. Thank you guys for being so supportive nung the 80s film. Yung 80s film guys na Bagets, gagawin ng siyang musical and I play Arnel. So guys, please watch it. Next year na siya sa January. Kala namin dahil sa climate change kaya laging bahad. Di here sa Kalumpit, Bulacan, sa Ghost Project pala. Yeah. Grabe talaga, no? I know. Like, grabe yung pangyayari ngayon sa the Ghost Projects and the flood control projects na subpar. Substandard. Hindi na pupunta pala sa mga Rolls Royce. Sa mga trip nila papuntang Japan. Grabe, no? Only in the Philippines. Pero hindi. Tayo bilang Pilipino dapat magkaroon tayo ng we have to stand up and we have to really pray and really do something about what's happening. Kaya galit yung mga tao nung last anong day yan ulit? Sorry. Yeah, it's a revolution. Kaya galit eh. Kasi grabe na talaga yung pangyayari, guys. Number 21, yes. Stop asking these nonsense questions, please. Katie, may nakapagsabi na sa'yo, kamukha mo si Rico yan. I don't wanna take it. Kasi, ano eh, kapag, controversial, kasi ano eh, kapag may nagsabi na may kamukha itong artista, ang daming babanat agad. Kaya I don't wanna take it. I just say I mean, total guwapo naman si rest in peace, si Sir Rico. Pero I can't take it. It's controversial kasi. For me ha. Kasi kapag may nagsabi na kamukha mo ito, may babanat agad na hindi. Kumusta naging experience mo sa rally? Super grabe, it really showed how everyone was like everyone involved, everyone there, like mga bata, matatanda, they were all there in the rally. They were all pushing through the rain. They were all chanting. They were all rallying. They were all protesting about the stuff happening in the country. And everyone was, yeah, there were like a few, parang, what's this? Showcase ba? Not really showcases. Showcases. Like, ano yung mga parang still art? Yung parang nakatayo sila dyan. Like, they're, yeah, basta, it's grabe talaga yung experience ko dyan. And talking with the people about what's happening in the country right now. And seeing people being all as one. It's just, it gives you hope then. But syempre, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop in that day. Of course, we have to spread awareness all the time. I was curious paano kayo nakauwi nun. So I had to walk to Green Hills kasi dun kami nakapark. Naglakad ako papuntang Green Hills. Thank you guys ha. Super thank you for being there. It means a lot to us para kasama yung kami tuwing. Of course, naintindihan ko naman din yung mga hindi kaya pumunta kasi yung iba ang lalayo or yung iba they have other stuff to do, which is of course understandable naman talaga. Like some people just can't dedicate like that much time din kasi they have other things to do. Pero ang akin, it's fine kasi kaya pumupunta kami, yung mga kayang pumunta, we're doing it for you guys. And you guys are also spreading awareness din by like posts and stuff. What was your reaction nung knowing na ikaw ang gaganap na Arnel sa Bagets? Grabe yung saya ko. It was late at night. Parang siya, gabi. Yeah, late at night, tas gabi. Oo nga. Hindi, 12 midnight, nakita ko yung email. KD, tinanggap ka as Arnel sa Bagets. Kaya bibigyan ka namin. Yeah, I was super happy, ecstatic talaga. Bukas na yung Your Face Sounds Familiar ni Alexa. Yes, let's watch it, guys. Super excited to see that. She's gonna kill it, not gonna lie. Thank you guys. I don't know what time I'll end. I think I'll end soon. But yeah. Okay lang, nakikinig lang kayo sa akin na nagsasabi lang ng kung ano-ano. Multi-talented, yes. Yes, madam. Super. Kaya Gen Z total performer. That's her. She deserves that, you know what I mean? That's her moniker. That's her other moniker. She deserved that one. Hayaan mo na si Alexa, binubudol mo lang siya. Wala ka lang love life eh. Block. Hindi. Kaya, ayun eh. Kaya yun eh, di ba? Kaya di ako nagpo-post eh. No, she deserves that. Yung title na total Gen Z total performer, she deserves that title. She's 100%, that's her. She can host, she can act, she can dance, she can sing. She did so much na. For me, underrated na artist si Alexa. Pero she doesn't deserve to be underrated anymore. She deserves to be given the spot that she deserves, di ba? Ganun naman talaga eh. May mga babanat na hindi, pero if you look at the work that she's done so much, 'di ba? Kaya hindi mo masisisi kung ba't niya binigay sa kanya na title. Anyways, guys. Excited for what's coming. So the movie. This movie I'm working on, Bagets. Dami nangyayari. Bagets. Oh my God. Pero grabe yung mga sayaw namin dyan, guys. Like, it's not a joke. Hindi yung parang cute-cute lang na sayaw na TikTok. Hindi. It's like sayaw talaga. Pero kaya ko naman humabol. Like, hindi, humahabol talaga ako. Like, I'm doing good. I'm doing good sa I'm doing good sa pagsayaw. Ayoko lang ipakita sa inyo. Ayoko malang mag-TikTok ng sayaw because it's not me. It's not my branding yet. Pero kapag nakita nyo na sa mismong musical, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na. Alam namin magaling ka sumayaw. Hindi magaling, marunong. Marunong ako sumayaw. Breakdance, 80s dance. Yep. Exactly. Favorite song of yours, Mahal Ba Kita, Bola Bola. Thank you. Bola Bola was a long time ago. Tagal na pala nun. Grabe. May kaldag ba yun sa'yo nyo, Katie? Sana wala. Pili ko meron, pero sana wala. Ano ba yun? Gusto ko yung lang, cute-cute lang. Ay, yung lang, cool-cool lang. Huwag naman yung may kaldag-kaldag. I think I'll keep my glasses off. Sige, good night na sa mga tutulog na. Late na dyan eh. Oh, you got powers. Oh, you got powers. Yeah. Do you have movies this year? Yes. I just did. I have a special participation in one movie. Hindi ko sasabihin kung ano movie yan. Pero medyo big siya. Medyo big actually, big production siya. Big production siya. I don't wanna say it. Workout routine. Ngayon, tinatry ko with my coach, push-pull legs. It's been working naman for me. Pero hindi ako nagbubuhat ng sobrang bigat. Kasi sabi ko, ang hirap pag nagbuhat ako ng mabigat. Kasi kailangan sa musical, magaan ka lang. Kasi ang daming talon, ang daming sayaw. May mga tumbling-tumbling pa. Kaya kailangan magaan lang ako dyan. So hindi sobrang bigat na buhat. Kasi kapag buhat ka ng mabigat, parang bibigat rin yung ano mo yung pakiramdam mo. I don't know. For me. Galing mo pala mag-boxing, yeah. I had to recall, yeah. Nagpa-coach lang ako bago dyan. Bago yung araw na yan, yung shoot namin ni Kuya MJ. So nag-recall lang ako. Pero ganun. Jab, mga straight, hook, uppercut, ganyan. So yung forma, yung tamang forma lang. Soft boy looks. Thank you, I guess. Basta guys, hindi ako sasagot kung anong movie. Magugulat na lang talaga kayo. Mag-brown hair ka na ulit. Actually, I was thinking, should I do brown hair? Kasi lahat kami sa play, black hair. So, inisip ko, baka pwede ko mag-brown hair. Para maiba lang yung itsura ko. Maiba lang yung itsura ko sa kanila. Kasi lahat kami black hair, eh. So, bala ko magpa-brown. Siguro, dark brown. Para magmukhang foreigner. Pero di usa ata ang hair dye noon 80s eh. Baka maiba lang ang itsura ko.